Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
6 things you should never cook in an instant pot. Creamy sauces. If there's one food group you should avoid in the instant pot, it's dairy. Fried chicken. The best fried chicken is crisp on the outside, juicy on the inside and perfectly golden brown. Cookies. Burgers. Pie. Steak.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Not adding any liquid to the instant pot. It's necessary for steam to build up, ultimately creating a high-pressure environment used for faster cooking. Without sufficient liquid, pressure won't build, and you'll likely get the dreaded burn error.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Even though some studies suggest that pressure cooking isn't the best way to preserve nutrients in food, no research exists to suggest that pressure cookers of any model or brand pose health risks. If you're a fan of your instant pot, don't worry, you can continue to safely use your appliance without worry.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Winner. With its ability to pressure cook, slow cook, cook rice, sauté, brown, make yogurt, steam, and keep warm, the Instant Pot can do much more than the CrockPot. It cooks your food slowly at a low temperature, and it keeps your food warm.
Take our lead.
Unfortunately, once you overcook a piece of meat in the pressure cooker, there's no going back. You'll be left with a pile of dry, crunchy, tasteless fibers, and no amount of additional pressure cooking is going to put that moisture back into the meat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.